Okay, so got the 240 outside. It's Sunday. We're about to probably change the oil on this guy because it probably hasn't been changed in a while. And I got an oil and filter in. So yeah, let's get that going. All right, car's jacked up. We're gonna get my oil pan under there, drain some of this oil out. I think these cars only take like 3.5 or 4 quarts of oil, so this should be easy to come out. But yeah, I mean, it's stupid clean under here. Get this right up here. Nice and easy. Arizona car. Just like that. She is draining this oil, and this is pretty dark looking. Okay, so we got the bolt back in, drain plug back in. We're gonna lower the car down. And the filter's right up there, so we'll have to pull that off. That's actually a Nissan filter. Pretty cool, it looks pretty old, but the oil filter's in here. So the way I like to do this is I like to take a plastic bag and I'll wrap it around the oil filter and then break it loose and then drop it into the bag. So that way, hopefully you don't spill a bunch of stuff, but we'll see. So stick this bag in here and tuck it under that. Not try to make a mess. Grab this thing. Okay, oil filter's out. You're gonna spill some. It's hard not to, but it's out. And that one was on there tight. Another little thing I like to do is take a little finger of that old oil, put it on the new seal, so that way it kind of suctions a little better. Something I've been told to do a long time ago, and so that's what I do. Also, K&N filter. Figured it's an old car. Put the best things I can afford on it, so we'll start with that. All right, we got the new K&N filter installed. I just tightened it as hard as I could with my hand. Get it really snug, and that's probably all she needs to be. So it's time to add oil. I usually use Mobil 1. You can get this on Amazon really cheap, and it's always been good, full synthetic. It's what I put in all my vehicles. It's never been a problem, so I'm gonna put it in this. It says it takes like 3.5 to 3.7 quarts, so we're gonna add 3, maybe 3.25, start it up, see where the dipstick says, and yeah, add accordingly. So that's 3. That's 3 right there. Let's take this out. Go down. So, throw the cap back on. We'll fire it up and see how much it needs to be added still. This thing needs mounts, which I have. Probably do those here shortly too. So let it run for a while.
One eternity later.
Shut it down. Throw it back in gear. So low to the ground. Now I'll just let it seat back down. I'll check the dipstick here shortly, and then we'll see what we need to add. All right, so it's not wanting to focus. Let's see, I'm trying to do this one-handed. But we need to add like a little less than a half quart. So I'll probably add a half quart, maybe a little less, and we'll be good to go. I added 3, so we'll do 3.5, and it'll be perfect. Alrighty everybody, so that is the oil change on the 240. This is first of many. Start with the basics, oil. We're gonna clean out the inside next. Then we're gonna put all these parts on that I have back on the car just to get it in stock form. We also need to mount these fenders all the way because they're not fully mounted. The car came from Arizona and my buddy took it all down, ripped it apart to get it here, and then he started putting it back together and it's just sat for a while. So I'm gonna put all this car back together in stock form, then assess the body, and then I'm gonna start making it nice. But we'll start with oil now, and then next we're gonna do a little detail cleaning, and I'll take a video of that. So stay tuned for lots of work and stuff on this vehicle, because it's gonna make a big change here soon.